Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see an interesting recipe, spring roll recipe. The ingredients needed for spring roll are 1 cup chopped cabbage, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, then garlic finely chopped and keep some for crushing it and putting it, and chopped ginger. Keep all these ingredients ready, and you can add carrots as small pieces, or you can grate them and add little of it to the ingredients when you are sauteing it. More of finely chopped onions, maybe 3, so a cup, and pepper powder, coriander leaves, chilli flakes, jeera powder, and salt to taste. Oil to fry as well. Now heat the pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add the crushed garlic. If you want, you can add the chopped and 1 portion of crushed garlic. Add chopped ginger. Ginger should be finely chopped, as I said. Then you add the finely chopped green chili. Saute it at low flame. You need not cook the stuffing, we just need to saute it. Now I'm adding the chopped onions. Whenever we add onions, add little bit of salt so that it cooks or becomes translucent faster. Now time to add the chopped cabbage. Cabbage need not be cooked more. It just need to be sauteed for some time. And finally, carrot. Little bit is enough, or it will give very sweet taste. So add little bit of carrot. For spicy taste, we have already added green chili, and we'll be adding pepper. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. One to 2 teaspoons of jeera powder. It will give a very nice flavor. And this is pepper powder, 2 teaspoons I'm adding. That's it. Saute it for some time and keep it aside to cool. Need not cook it. The flame should be medium always. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of vinegar. And 1 to 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. That's it. The ingredients for stuffing is over and the process is done. Leave it for 1 to 2 minutes at low medium flame. Finally add the chilli flakes and garnish with coriander leaves. The coriander chopped ones I have added, and allow it to cool. Now coming to the sheets. These sheets are ready-made sheets available in the market. We have to take 2 samosa sheets and using the all-purpose flour paste, we have to stick it first, so you get a bigger one. Now keep 1 to 2 teaspoons of the stuffing inside and see the way it is rolled. First roll the edges and seal it off so that the stuffing doesn't fall while we are frying it deep in the oil. It comes well after practice. First time you learn it slowly, then by practice it comes. Holding it, carefully roll it so that the edges does not open up. It's a coordinated rolling. That's all, it's rolled. And now using the all-purpose flour paste, which we have got by mixing little bit of water and 1 teaspoon of maida or all-purpose flour, you just seal it off and leave it aside. Don't disturb it, it'll just stick it off. If you don't have sheets which we get ready-made, no worries. You can do it yourself using the chapati flour or the puri batter which we usually have at home. This one is wheat flour I have used. Just take a small ball and flatten it. Flatten it in such a way it should be as thin as possible. Whatever shape it comes, you need not worry. It can be this shape or even perfect round. We are going to just cut it into 2 pieces, either 2 semicircles or 2 halves. If it is coming irregular shape also doesn't matter, but make it as thin as possible. See, you can make it into a circle like this and fold it and cut it using a knife or a pizza cutter. Any part is extra, any piece, you can just cut it off. Place the filling and based on the size of the sheet you have made, keep the filling. In this case, I'm just making it a smaller one. See, I have made the paste using wheat flour itself for this and sealing it the edges. The extra portion we can cut and discard it or make it into other balls for the other rolls. That's it. The more thinner, the more crispier it is. Now all the rolls, first set of rolls are ready. In both the ways I'll show you how it comes. One with wheat flour sheets and the other with ready-made flour samosa sheets. In a pan, pour the oil and heat it, and spring rolls made out of the wheat flour, I have put it inside and allowing it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't disturb it while it is cooking. It takes some time actually. This is a all-time snack. You can have it anytime. That to this for the season. You serve it hot with tomato ketchup. Kids will like it. Family members will like it. Friends will like it. You will like it. Don't forget to try it and enjoy it. See the next set of spring rolls, which we have rolled and kept out of the ready-made sheets. Both comes out very well. So you can choose any of the type of your choice. If you are very much health conscious and you wish to, you can spend time and do it, you can use wheat flour, or if you are getting these rolls available, you can store it. The spring rolls are ready. You can tomato ketchup or any other red chutney of your choice, and red chili sauce goes well with it. Hope you like this.
If you liked the video, smash the like button, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. See you soon.